Hi, my name is Audrey Thomas, founder of Organize Audrey, and today's productivity pointer is all about making your meetings fun. As I work with organizations, I often interview individuals in preparation for my presentations, and one of the areas that I often ask them about is their current meeting culture, to which I get a variety of responses. But most people would agree today we have way too many meetings, and a lot of times we don't understand why we're invited to all the meetings that we are expected to attend. So if you are the individual who is hosting the meeting, I'd like to share with you a couple of tips that you can implement that would make you known for being that person who has fun meetings. So the first thing you want to do is within the first 60 seconds of the start of your meeting, place something desirable at the center of that conference room table. It might be a fancy cupcake, it could be a candy bar, it might be a $5 bill, or maybe it's even a gift card to a local restaurant. But right after you put it there, tell a riddle and tell the people in your meeting that they have the length of the meeting to solve the riddle, and he who solves it first gets the prize. What you're going to discover is that people do not want to be late for your meetings because they know that you're going to tell that riddle in the first 60 seconds of your meeting. Secondly, when you send out the meeting invitation to your meeting, start your meeting at an unusual time and end it at an unusual time. So instead of starting your meeting at the top of the hour, why not say the meeting starts at 10:07 and it finishes, instead of at 11 o'clock, it's going to finish at 10:42. So choose unusual start and stop times and it will get people's attention. They will also appreciate not having a long meeting as well as having time to get to your meeting after their last meeting probably finished up. And finally, if you have a meeting that is going to last 45 minutes or longer, it's important to give your people an opportunity to get up and move around. So when you're at that point in the meeting and you're sensing that people need that stretch time, ask everybody to stand, ask them to put their hands on their hips, feet shoulder width apart, and then on the count of 3, ask them to spell their first names using only their hips. What will happen is everybody will start laughing, they'll get the movement that they need, and then you can call your meeting back to order and finish it out strong. I hope you have enjoyed this productivity pointer brought to you by Organize Audrey, where our goal is to help you get more done with less stress. Make it a great day.